Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm here with soy fresh non-dairy soy milk. So as you know, soy milk is non-dairy product. The vegans can have these kind of milk, almond soya milk. This is Shushu Kakun Soya. This is 1 liter pack. Added calcium, source of protein and low in saturated fat. It's written over here, so it doesn't contain fat. So all those people who have cholesterol and all these kind of problems, they can go for these kind of milk, as they can't have the proper dairy products. All the nutritional information is mentioned about the pack over here. The ingredients which were used in making this is also mentioned over here. What else I can read? Not suitable as complete milk for a child under 2 years age. So the child, if it is under 2-year age, do not give them. It's not suitable for them. Keep it in cool and dry place. It's mentioned over here. That is really nice instruction, made from 100% this, and all the cholesterol free food, everything is mentioned over here, as you can see. So what else? Made in Malaysia. So this is a Malaysian product. That's what I was looking for, that where it is made. So let's open this soy fresh non-dairy soy milk. So this is a pack like this. You need to open it, and there is this kind of envelope which you need to pour. You need to pluck out and then pour in glass. As you can see, the color of this is really different. You can have a closer look. The soya milk is from soya. It's a kind of beans, I would say. It is made from that. The color is not proper white, which is mostly milk of cow, buffaloes and all. So the color is little different. So that's about it, as you can see. But this is very healthy. It will keep your stomach full for long duration and cholesterol free. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon. But before that, I'm gonna drink it and let you know how it is. In taste, it is average, normal, but we don't look always taste. It's about health also. So friends, bye bye, take care.